Today we're making seafood gumbo. We're going to use jumbo crabs, 2 packs, a bag of shrimps, some sausage, and we're going to make a roux. Here's our pot. We're going to boil our shrimp in this Cajun fire crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. Pour in some Cajun and seasoning for your crabs and shrimp. Let's get it to boiling. Drop in your crabs. Now let's let them boil for like 5 minutes, and then once we make our roux, we're going to take this water and dump it into our gumbo. So let's get started on our roux. So I put in a 1/2 cup of oil, and we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of flour. And we're going to stir until it gets like a golden brown, you guys. So you keep stirring it, mix it all together. Keep stirring, you guys. It's going to get brown eventually. And you want it to be like a brown. That don't mean it's burning. That means that you got you a good roux. So keep stirring until it turns really brown. See how it's starting to darken it up? Keep going. This is how dark you want your roux to be. Once you finish with that, you're going to take your gravy from your crabs, well, the water from your crabs, and dump it into the pot with the roux. So let's start taking these crabs out and put them in a bowl. We're going to let them cool. And then we're going to break them in half. Then we're going to dump the rest of this water into the roux. Now add in some chicken stock. I'm using the powdered one. And let this cook for like 3 hours. But we're going to go ahead and cut up the bell peppers and onions and garlic and green onions and bay leaf that goes in the pot. We're going to use half of each bell pepper. A orange, a yellow, and a red. Cut them in half. And then we're going to use a whole onion. Chop it up. Half of each one. Now I'm going to cut up this and we're going to put it into our gumbo. Our bell peppers and everything is all chopped up. So now we're going to put it inside the gumbo. So let's just drop them in. So we're going to cut up these smoked beef sausage to put in there. Let's get to chopping, you guys. These are called Country Boys smoked sausage beef. There's different flavors. You can get the spicy, but it's called Country Boys. So our sausage is all chopped up. Let's put it inside the gumbo. Move, bro. We're going to take this part off, and then we're going to break them in half and put them into our bowl. Crabs are ready. Now we at least wait like an hour and 30 minutes before we put the crabs in. And I chopped up some green onion, and we're going to use a chopped up garlic, 2 cloves, and put it in there. Put the green onions in and the garlic. Now let's let it cook. Add in a teaspoon of salt, you guys, or enough salt to your liking. See, it's starting to cook down. Well, a crab got stuck in there, so I just left it. Add 1 bay leaf, garlic powder, onion powder, salt to your liking. I use a teaspoon of each, and put you a teaspoon of 20 sasheries in here to give it a little bitty spice. Okay, everyone, let's dump in our crabs. So drop in your crabs. And then we're going to get our shrimp in here too. So Starting to look good already, you guys. Let's just add our shrimp in now. Let it cook another 15 minutes, and then we're going to add in our crab meat. So we're going to use this white crab meat by Bumblebee. It's selling at Walmart, and we're going to put it inside our gumbo. It's real crab meat, you guys. Put it all up in there, give it a good stir. Pretty much your gumbo's finished, you guys. All we need to do is plate it up and serve. Look at all that. Woo! Look at that gumbo, you guys. So delicious. There you guys have it. Seafood gumbo. Yummy, yum, you guys. Look how yummy that looks. Seafood gumbo.